Hey gang, Drew here. In today's video, we're going to show you how to replace the headlight bulb on your 2013 to 2018 Toyota RAV4. The procedure should be the same for any of those years. My front left headlight is out, and I'm going to show you step by step and how to replace it. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is underneath the driver's dash area, left to the steering column, is your hood release latch. And you're just going to pull that and release your hood, and we'll open up the hood. To get your hood open is just get your fingers underneath, lift up just a little bit, and just off center to the right here, you'll feel a little lever, and you push it to the left, and you'll be able to raise the hood, take your hood prop, and put it in the hood position there, and your hood is up. And here's the little lever that you move over to the left. So this is the light that we're going to be replacing. We did buy a kit that comes with two lights. They may be a little bit different hue, I guess you want to call it. So we're just going to go ahead and replace both bulbs while we're here. It's a really simple job. The pack came with two bulbs, so we're just going to do them both. So let's get started, and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so here's our connector for our headlight bulb, and here's the bulb actually itself. So to release the bulb, you simply rotate the connector kind of counterclockwise, just like that. You'll feel it kind of release, and then just wiggle the bulb out just like that. And now to release it, you have a little tab right here. You'll push on that little tab. See if I can do it while you can still see it. You'll push on that little tab just like that, and release the connector, and there's your bulb. And to put the new bulb in is exactly the opposite procedure. We'll go get our new bulb. Okay, you can see we have our new bulb here. And I put some rubber gloves on. It's good to kind of keep as much oil or any debris off the bulb itself as possible. So I put some rubber gloves on so I don't get any of my hand oils on the bulb. So take the bulb, find the connector, plug it in. Just simply push and you'll hear it click, just like that. You'll put the bulb in right there, and again in this position here, kind of wiggle it in. You'll feel it only goes in one way. Now just went all the way in, and then just rotate it clockwise, and it's locked into place just like that. That easy. Now we'll do exactly the same thing to the other side. Okay, down there. So once you have your bulbs replaced, just take your hood prop, undo it from the hood, put it back in its location here, and then make sure the hood is shut. And there you have it. Not too bad. So that's how you replace your bulbs on again, this should work on anything from a 2013 to a 2018 Toyota RAV4. Okay? All right, gang. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed to the channel, we do content like this all the time. Please make sure you subscribe, it really helps me out. And make sure you share the video with friends and family. All right, gang, remember, if you put your mind to it, you can do anything. All right, gang, take care and see ya.